Hello, this is Lucy. Nice to see you again. Today's folding method is easy, like a piece of cake. So, I will show you how to create a more colorful paper cutting by the end of this video. First, let's start folding our paper. If you noticed, besides two-way continue, we only need squared paper. Unless you are designing your own paper cutting. Let's fold the paper into half to make a sandwich. And we fold the sandwich into half again to make a perfect square. Now it's back to a squared shape. That's the secret for today's folding. Which folding method do you think is the easiest one from our previous video? I say the four-cornered. We only need to fold the triangles. If you don't remember the other folding methods, I posted the link to each one in the description box under this video. Okay, now we need to draw something. I am going to do a random drawing. But pay attention. We need connection points on all three sides. All three sides. Okay, let's cut. And let's see how it turns out. You know how our regular four corner looks like. Looks like this one. So what we just did, duplicate one unit pattern into four. And in four different directions. That is our last folding method. Four-way continue. Now, I'm going to show you the most fun, enjoyable, and therapeutic part of paper cutting. If you noticed that I used a different kind of paper today. It's Chinese rice paper. Chinese raw rice paper. It's very thin and delicate. And it's the paper I have been working with for many years. When we put color onto it, you will see your color is blooming and they blend into each other and make a new color. I usually use a special watercolor ink that I brought from China. They look like this, very cartoon looking. But the alcohol ink is a very good substitute. Especially, I believe they are making more and more colors. Plus, the alcohol ink dries quickly. We only need to wait for 1 minute. And that's it. Alright, that's for today. We finished all the basic and very common folding methods in Chinese paper cutting. Starting from my next video, I am going to share some really nice pattern and I will do the color as well. If you have any color combination you would like to see, tell me in the comments and I will try for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. Okay, see you next time.